Hey loves, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to show you how I installed this wig unit. So if you want to see step by step on how I install this 22-inch water wave wig, then definitely keep watching. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the details of this wig unit. It is a 22-inch water wave wig. It has 150% density, so you do get a good enough amount of hair on this unit. It is a 13 by 4 HD transparent lace unit. So the first thing that I'm going to do with this unit is I'm going to go ahead and define the part, as well as do a little bit of plucking in the parting area as well as around the hairline. So I wanted to show you exactly where I got this wig unit from. I actually purchased it from Amazon. It is from the store Jenniferita. And I picked up, like I said, the 22-inch. Right now, the 22-inch is $89.99. And they actually have a coupon right now. I'm not for sure if it's still going on, but you can get $10 off. They do come in other inches. And I think the inches range from 16-inch all the way to, I believe, 32-inch. I've had this unit for about a month and a half, and I have been wearing it off and on. And when I do actually wear it, I actually wear it for a week and a half at a time. So I will be showing you guys how I install this unit and make it last. This is how the parting is looking after I tweezed a little bit of the hairs out. So the next thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to be adding this lace tint mousse to the lace just to make it match closely to my skin tone. All the products that I will be using in this video, I will link down below in the description section. And I also want to let you know that all the products that I do use, it is from Amazon. The lace tint brand is by Well, and I got it in the color medium dark brown. It does wonders for your lace. It tints it so well. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and install the unit onto my head. Position it correctly. I did install an elastic band. I'm also going to be using the combs that come in this unit. It does come with 3. And underneath the stocking cap, I do have my hair cornrowed or braided down. So I will be sewing down this wig unit onto my head. The reason why I'm doing this is because I will be wearing the unit for about a week. So I just want to make sure that it doesn't move around. So yeah, so I'm going in with my needle and thread. I'm actually positioning or trying to find spaces within the unit to sew it down to my actual braids. So I usually do sew down a part on one side, on the left side as well as the right. And then sometimes I might find 2 places in the back of the unit to sew down as well. If you guys are not sewing down your units, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. I see a lot of times we wear our units just relying on the Got2b gel or the Eben spray. And sometimes, you know, you might sweat that out and then your unit starts to move around. So it's good to go ahead and sew down the unit as well so it can just stay in place. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah. So now that I got my unit sewn down, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and lay down the lace or the hairline. So I will be using the Eben Lace Bond Spray. I actually have it, the black can, the extreme hold version. So I'm just going ahead and spraying it around my hairline. I'm going to spray it around my hairline as well as on top of the lace. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you,
Baby, yeah, I only want you.
So I noticed that part of the lace wasn't laying down, so I felt like I needed to cut it. So I do use 3 different items. Sometimes I might use these pair of scissors. These are called like zigzag or peaking shears that I actually picked up from Amazon. I also may use an eyebrow shaper to cut my lace, and then also my go-to scissors, which are these razor edge scissors from Fiskar.
Nothing. What the hell was we thinking? Dirty tears and I'm sinking. Cause we ain't got shh in common. No, we ain't got shh in common. No conversation.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and lay down the lace using a melt band. I actually picked up this melt band from Amazon. It came in a 2-pack. I'm going to go ahead and define the curls or waves in this unit. And the only products that I'm using is water as well as Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Moisturizing Conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and drench this hair as much as possible, and then I will be going in with my dimming brush to define the curls, and then just use my hands to kind of scrunch up the hair to make the curls more defined as well.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say.
Okay, so I'm also going to be adding some mousse to this hair just to make sure that the curls stay defined as much as possible, because I will be wearing this unit for about a week and I don't want to continuously keep putting product in this hair. Now that my curls are looking popping, I'm going to go ahead and let them air dry, and I'm going to work back on the lace and the front of my hairline. So it does look a little bit crazy. I know that a lot of times when you use the Eben spray, it does leave some type of residue. So I will be going in with some toner and a Q-tip just to clean the hairline up. I'm going to be going in and using the Red by Kiss Tinted Lace Wig Powder. I got it in a color medium brown. I will be using this makeup brush, and I will be using the powder to go ahead and apply it to the hairline.
You feel like, you feel like, you feel like, you feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well
I did want to go in and lay the hairline down a little bit more, so I am going in with my Care wax stick as well as my hot comb to lay the parting area as well as the hairline.
don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart. How you keep changing.
Okay, love, so this is about it for this video. I am pretty much finished. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Like I said before, I will leave all the links to all the products that I used down below in the description section. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.